I'm already done. Then we can just go into our door and play what we've made, right? It's for my people, it's for my fans, it's for my group members, it's for my people, young talented group. We need to like strengthen our force, like we need to stand forth and fight for something good that we need, right? You cannot be a great king if you don't put on any effort. You can just have that idea of being a great king when you are like in your mind you have a great king in your mind, but actually real facts you are not even a king or even a servant in this in the palace. So let's just go into it and listen to what we I did in the night, and we examine this can do so much, like it's already a bit, but let's just listen to it. This is a full thing here, instruments and keys. So let's just go into it, and we can listen to the shakers first and the kick. We can even yeah, that is for the shakers. And then we listen to our chords, what we drew as chords, like this zip with the drums and some guitar. That's it. Now for this guitar I just played it. I played it a MIDI. That's I just used my what was the plugin. This is the plugin. Muffin. Yeah. Then now muffin here that I marked in 31, 32 was like the main one. Then 31 is like the backup. Like it's a call and answer sheet. When you call, you need somebody to answer, right? So go into it. Now, like if you hear something that is, you can reduce the length. Okay, yeah, I just added a note here. Yeah, it's okay. Now we just go into. You've heard a sound. You are getting a sound like a flute type of shit. So we off our guitar and we go into our flute. You hear? This is it. So the flute was made from a plugin called Shakura. That's Sakura. This is it from that's Sakura, right? It's a plugin. It's a plugin I love so much. It has so many presets that you can use and make amazing sounds. So this Sakura, and it gives me a nice flute. Here is I just took it to my channel, to my mixer channel, channel 23, and I added some. I never added something. It's just there. So if I like, I can just add my EQ just to remove my lows. Take off my lows, yeah. Just so that you cannot just be modding my mix just like that. You see, so I'm just taking it below from below to the top, like taking the lows, because even if you play a sound there must be some small frequencies that disturbs the others from at least banging the way you want it. So this is it. I just take it and listen to it. Here is good. I should not just take it much. It's good. So now it's okay. Just, if anything you do, save it, because if you don't save it, there's a problem when there is no current, or current just disappointed you and you are frustrated. You don't have anything to do. You blame nobody. So take it from me, you save your project, save any shit you do in your door. So that is it. So now let me just like play with the bass. The bass that I wrote was not just that way good, but you can just listen to it, and you can even anybody can help me, like, to help have a good bass for that. So this is it. This is the bass. Like, I off my mat this. Yeah, you are getting right. That's the bass. I just did it. I did it the way I felt that same time. I can change it the way I want it. But when the beat is done, you cannot change anything, because you've mastered and you've mixed, and you've rendered it into wave, and you cannot just mix changes anyhow. So the only process who can like change your mix is your manager, like a producer that can change your anything you want in that beat. So if I got somebody that come to me and say, hello guy, I wish to make a beat, I wish to have a nice beat from you if possible, I will say yeah. If I say yeah, that means I'm really conscious of it. That means if you need it, if you want me to really want us to really do a beat according to what you feel, you can just tell me what you really need, or just sing to me a chorus, and I'll pick some chords and play, and from there we can be adding things from there, and adding and changing, mixing, and from there to mastering, and we'll have a song from there. So that is it. So don't be scared. Don't be scared talking to your producer, but you have to be careful with your producer, because it's the person that gets you. That means somebody that you need so much is your producer. Because if there's no producer, what will you do? You just go and sing a cappella somewhere, and that a cappella could help you if you are singing to those that are interested in a cappella type of shit. So without any beat. So that is it. So if we can play everything together, and okay, there's an instrument here. Yeah, huh? Ding ding ding. Okay, there is this. Okay, this is my yeah. Now I let me see what is going on here. This is a kick on the 34. It's not that way classic, the one I like, but it's good to go from there. So let's just go and do something here. There is something I did on this beat, this swing. I placed the swing at 25%, 25%. Like it gives you some, let me just do it and you hear in context. So now everything is set. So just play it. When you play it now, you listen to it and go to our channel rack, sing this. I'll have a tutorial about this to show you how it really works if you don't get it from here. So you can just play it and listen. Here there's no swing. Now here, listen to it. It's jumping like it's, yeah, but that's not what we are looking for. You can still go for it if it's nice. So you can go put it here, listen to it. I think this one is nice. This one is good. This swing is about 63 some of so yeah 63. Let me just take 60 60 60 slacks a bit. Let's just go to 62. Yeah, it's good. Now go to 46. It's still jumpy. It's there, but it's hard to notice, right? So that's it. That's what we need. So now you've gotten what I was to say, or you've heard my conclusion about this, but not even a conclusion, but I just want to tell my fans and anybody that is coming across this video to really check go to my site, FL Studio Edix YouTube. I will send a link under below, and check here, and you have other videos that from me that you need. If you need something that I can explain more better, just hint me, DM me, either in using your Facebook, WhatsApp, whatsoever the link you can get me through. You just contact me and everything will be sorted out. I will do it for you for free. I demand no money. But if you want to come closer and do it in the studio and we do it, you have to like spend a little cash, because sometimes I don't do this video when I am every time, because I'm busy doing other things, yeah, I'm doing other things to survive. That is it. So this is still like I'm just jumping into it. I'm trying to vibe with the community, right? Community, and we do it together, right? So stay tuned. Go and check my YouTube channel. That's where I really emphasize that you should go and check and try to subscribe, comment, and share. Tell me what you want. Tell me within FL Studio. I will do it for you, and I will teach you how to do it proper. That is it.